they first arrived, they were absolutely uncouth. But now they're the epitome of refinement.
There's one of them now. Excuse me, dear.
My dear young man, do tell me about yourself.
Well, you see, you'll pardon me.
If you don't tell me all about this metamorphosis, I shall always feel that I've missed something.
Lady, if you don't leave right now, you're not going to miss anything.
Young man, what's wrong? You act as though the sword of Damocles is hanging over your head.
Lady, you must be psychic.
Wonder what's wrong with that young man.
You feather-brained imbecile, are you trying to ruin us too?
You know, you're a little bit too bossy.
I'm too bossy, huh? Wise guy.
You forgot the duck.
So did you.
Oh.
Why, I've never heard of such a thing.
No, wait, let's call it truce.
Come on now. Come on, you started this.
And there we were, in mud, up to here.
Your drink, madam. Pardon me, madam.
Stop it! Stop it this minute! You disgraceful vagabonds! Oh!
Who do you think you're talking?
So! You want to play rough, do you? Well!
Wait a minute, lady. Wait, excuse.
Oh, Senator, I'm so sorry.
Wait a minute.
Well, I raised my rifle and fired.
My dear councilman, it was...
Somebody give me a pie!
Well, that was easy money. Here's your check back. And believe me, I've learned that you can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear.
Yes, Professor. And I've learned something, too.
What's that?
Oh. A wise guy, eh? How do you like that?
Why, you...